Hi, this is Mr. Shumway. This video clip explains how to get the equation of a line that's parallel to another line through a certain point. For example, y equals 2x plus 2 is the line. We want to find a line that's parallel to that and goes through the point 3, 2. Well, if it's parallel, it has the equation y equals 2x. That part's the same, but we don't know that the intercept will be the same. It could be, but let's go ahead and plug in place of, here's x, here's y. So y is a 2 and x is a 3. 2 times 3 is 6. So 2 equals 6 plus something. So just subtract the 6 from each side. And you get negative 4 equals b. So now we can finish writing the equation y equals 2x minus 4. So now let's graph that y equals 2x minus 4 and see if that's parallel to the other guy. So y equals 2x minus 4. See if it goes through 3, 2. So this equation has an intercept of 2, so if each of these squares represent 1, then we cross the y-axis at 2, and then from there we go up 2 over 1, and we draw us a straight line. Something like that. Okay, so now that line does not go through 3, 2, but let's check out this other one. It crosses the y-axis at negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then goes up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. It does go through 3, 2. And we'll try to show that. Those two lines are parallel. So what if they just give us 2 points? Could we write the whole equation? Well, let's see how much y has changed. It goes from 2 to 9, so that's a change of 7. And x goes from 3 to 6, so that's a change of 3. So we know the slope y equals 7/3 x. We don't know where it crosses the y-axis, so we'll just leave that as a b for now. But let's plug in one of those points. For example, here's our x and here's our y. So y is 2 and x, well, x is a 3, so I'll put parentheses and fill that with a 3 plus b. Well, that was a good choice because now dividing by 3 and multiplying by 3 cancel each other. So we have 2 equals 7 plus b. So we subtract the 7. 2 minus 7 is negative 5. And so b equals negative 5. So now we can finish the equation. We had the 7/3 x. Now we also have the, instead of adding negative 5, we could just go ahead and subtract 5. So let's go look at that one on a grid. We have 7/3 x minus 5. So we think it's going to be 7/3 x minus 5 would be our y. Let's plot the points 3, 2 and 6, 9. So let's see if those 2 points describe this, or are on that line. This line crosses the y-axis at negative 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then from there we go up 7 and over 2. Oh, and over 3, sorry. And so maybe I should do those ones in blue. So there's that one, and then I go up 7 and over 3, up 7 and over 3, there we are. It's right on those points. It's almost like math works. Do a couple more for practice. Parallel to the line y equals negative 2x plus 3, but going through 4, 2. So we know the slope's going to be the same, but we don't know the intercept, but we can replace x and y with a 2 and a 4. it's easy to switch those around, so be careful there. 8 plus b. So 2 equals negative 8 plus b, so add 8 to each side, and you have 10 equals b. b equals 10. So now we can finish writing the equation. Equals negative 2x plus 10. And let's do another one with just 2 points. So we have to get the slope first. 4 comma 6 and 1 comma 2. So going from 6 to 2 is going down 4, and going from 4 to 1 is going down 3. So the slope is 4/3. A negative divided by a negative is a positive. So y equals 4/3 x. We don't know the intercept yet, so we'll just leave it as a variable. And 1 comma 2 may be the easiest, so 2 equals 4/3 of 1 plus b. So 2 equals 4/3 plus b. And so we're going to subtract the 4/3 from each side. But to do that, we may want to put the 2 into thirds also. So 2 would be 6/3. And so if I subtract 4/3 from each side, then 6/3 minus 4/3 equals b. So that would be 2/3. So now I can finish writing the equation. Y equals 4/3 x plus 2/3.